And g'day, today we're looking at how to remove wrinkles from green screens effectively from this to this in a few simple steps.
Now, as you can see, I've got my green screen set up behind me and we've got lots and lots of little wrinkles in it, which makes it kind of hard to remove, obviously, the background, which is the whole idea of having a green screen. So we need to stretch it a bit, and that's where these little doobawackies come in handy. That is a clip for the background for the green screen, and it's adjustable and it's like a stretcher, so it's pretty impressive. I finished up, well, as you can see, quite a lot. I got 8 of them to be exact. And there's the little device there in place. There's one there, another one. As you can see, it's putting a bit of tension onto the green screen itself, and hopefully this will make a bit of a difference. And as we go across, you can see we've still got a few wrinkles, and they're the ones I was referring to that we need to get rid of. I'll be using 6 of these clips plus the other 8 I've just shown you. These ones will be on the top and the bottom of the actual green screen itself, and that should hopefully keep it nice and taut. And the last thing I'll be using is this. It's just a fabric steamer or clothes steamer. Doesn't matter what brand you use, they all work pretty much the same. And there we are, we've got the little cambric clothes steamer turned on. It just takes a couple of minutes for this thing to get up to temperature. It's probably a bit hard to see in this lighting, but it's definitely removing the wrinkles, so we'll come back once I've taken them all out. Here we go, I've got the wrinkles out of the green screen in the back, and hopefully you can see that. And well, the lighting's still a bit harsh in a couple of spots. I have to play with that a bit, but we'll see what the effect is like right now. Hopefully we've got it almost right. This light is a bit on the bright side, so I might actually drop that down a tad. Okay, I'm back again, and I've adjusted the lighting a little bit. I need a key light to sort of pick up on this side of the head, but I'm worried about that at this point. I'm more interested in getting the green screen wrinkle-free, which I think I've done.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully you've learned something. If you did, please consider subscribing or give me a thumbs up or even a thumbs down if that's the way you feel. Leave a comment. Appreciate that too. All the very best. Hopefully I'll catch you on the very next video. Take care. Till then, bye.